Do you remember your kid's first school interview? Whoa, how nerve-wracking was that experience? Well, we are here to give you some quick tips on how to guide your little one to crack his or her first school interview. A million thoughts gush in. Teaching your kids basic etiquettes like good manners, responding to teachers when asked their name or age, the way they are dressed, and so much more. So let's walk you through some quick hacks to get your kid to pass this hurdle. Provide a briefing. Your kid might get a little intimidated before going to a school because school is a whole new world for them. Now that's where you have to play the key role. To start with, get your kids out of their comfort zone. But the question is, how do you do it? Before they face the first school interview, why not give a tour to your kid around the school premises? Like a very casual introduction with new faces and places. In the process, you can walk your little one through significant aspects of schooling like what a school is, the fun activities you get to do, how to make new friends, and most importantly, advising them to build an emotional connection with the teachers. This can ease everything for your child and help kids kickstart a whole new journey. Brush the basics. Now that you've given your kids a good briefing and a basic understanding of what a school environment is like, it's time to hop on to the next. Remember, one step at a time. Little minds are very tender and they absorb a lot through observations. So you've got to mellow it down. Here, you can start familiarizing your kids with alphabets and numbers, objects like fruits and vegetables, or maybe even familiarizing them with the name of the school and making them sing the national anthem of the country. The parents and the teachers will be lit with pride. Thorough research is a must. Education is that first-class ticket that leads you to the best in life. And that's one wish every parent yearns for. They want their children to learn and grow in the best schools. Now that's where researching comes into the picture. Exactly. Different schools function differently. So should your expectations from them. You might go haywire wondering what the questions would be like for a first school interview. Well, you need not worry at all. Good research will help you get an idea of the questions that your kid might be asked. Or maybe you have some mutual connection that can become a great source of help. Building rapport with children works great. To build trust in our kids, you need to take it gradually. Children are said to be very tender-hearted, keen observers and curious. So you've got to mellow the process so that they get a clear picture of all that's happening around them. Building an open relationship with children makes things work a lot easier. To gain your little one's trust, you've got to step into their shoes. But how? Start a playful conversation. Get to know what they love to do the most. Connect the same with a school and then tell them how a school can be the ultimate stage to showcase their skills in education and extracurricular activities. I'm sure you will see sparks of excitement in your kid. Play smart. The first school interview is more like a judging ground for a kid. Do not panic. There's no rocket science coming into the picture. Here we focus on aspects like concentration, handwriting, speech, and problem-solving skills. Pretty simple. Some of the activities that help your child build these skills are puzzles. What say you throw them a bowl of puzzles which have their favorite Disney characters on it? That's surely going to draw in some more enthusiasm. This in turn will help in improving their concentration level and problem-solving skills. Activities like storytelling will help them improve their communication skills. Dress comfortably. The first impression is the best impression, a known fact for a reason. If you're thinking of dolling up your little one for their first school interview to slip in right away, you're sorely mistaken. The dressing should always be about comfort and confidence. Dress up your kid in neat and comfortable clothing so that they get space to breathe, feel free of any anxiety, and most importantly, look pleasing and positive to the teachers. Maintain social etiquette. Hi, hello, thank you, welcome, good morning, teacher. What would be your impression when you hear your child say these words? Don't you feel a sense of pride tingling inside you? Exactly. It's very important to inculcate some basic mannerisms in your child. Children, being shrewd observers, learn a lot from their parents, and they imbibe those qualities from you. So don't you think you're the first learning ground for your children? If your little one has all those good qualities, then bingo! They're halfway there in cracking the interview. Keeping them happy is the only motto. Okay, it's our kid's first school interview. What's it going to be like? What are we supposed to do? Relax. Why tinge the atmosphere with all your anxieties and worries when you're the solution? Yes, it's all about making them feel good and happy. And if you want to see them all smile, you've got to be positive too. Crack a little joke. Pull each other's leg. Watch a funny video. It can lighten the mood and allow kids to go with the flow. With the world today moving at the speed of light, we often forget to pause. Everyone's in a hurry. Everyone wants to be part of the rat race. Well, instead of pulling your kids into the race to be the best, aren't we supposed to shape them up to be good human beings first? Do that and all the pieces will fall in the right place.